his music is saying you to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, you, I love you, now let me play you some beautiful music, you know? So there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're coming to you from Mr. Male Grooming in Manchester, which is where we shot my skin fade video from a couple months ago. In the chair, we've got male model Ehsan, and it's actually been statistically proven that one look at his jawline results in an instant man crush, so you know, you've been warned. If you want to see what he's all about, I've got his Instagram linked down below. Today, we're paying respects to the hairstyle classics by not going crazy short on the sides. When Ehsan came in, he made it clear that he still wants to be able to finger comb the hair on his sides backwards, which creates a very masculine, sophisticated look. That said, we're merging this classic cut with a more modern twist by having a matte finish, texturized result. As for the top, because his hair is so thick, having it left a little bit longer actually yields some awesome results. So Jordan the hairstylist is treading lightly and not removing too much. I'd say Ehsan is left with about 5 inches of length on top and an inch or so on the sides and back. Speaking of Jordan, the hairdresser, he is the manager here at Mr. Male Grooming and an awesome stylist. If you want to check out Jordan or see if Mr. Male is a place that you'd want to hit up, I've got links for you in the description down below. What I really like about today's hairstyle is that it shows how good something simple can look. There's no hidden tricks or gimmicks, it's just a truly timeless style that will look just as good today as it will in years to come. With the cut being finished, it is time to style. Now I talked to Ehsan about his personal styling preferences, and he actually said that he doesn't like using much product and usually just blow dries his hair and then doesn't add any product after that. And when I heard that, I knew that he'd love original, because when you use it as a pre-styler, it gives you awesome volume and good structure, but it doesn't feel like you've got any product in your hair. So for someone like Ehsan, you could just stop after using original as a pre-styler, but for the effect of this video, I wanted to go in with a tiny amount of Cavalier to really make that texture pop and showcase the sick results that you can get if you use some product after blow drying. And just like that, you've got that classic pompadour hairstyle with a modern texturized finish.